So assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine in this. So sorry viewers, I am taking to making too late video. Please sorry and like our video and subscribe our channel. In this video, I am going to tell you that how to convert your English keyboard to your Urdu keyboard. So open Play Store and search here I have option Urdu to English, but some phones have not this setting. So search for Urdu Urdu, Urdu keyboard. Here this Urdu keyboard editor. It is. Click on install button and wait for a wait while. Okay viewers, after it installs, click open it, wait for a while, and here enable, click on it and then okay, again okay, then back it. Here final step, select your keyboard type, here configure input methods and okay. I check this, back it and select. So, okay, easy Urdu. Here your keyboard has been changed, click on it and here is option of Urdu and here is English. So thanks for watching. In this video aim is only 50 likes. Please like our video. Thanks for watching.